Hi, I'm Heather, and today I'm going to take you along with me during my day as a CPS Proposals Associate Intern here at Fortrea. See how I have the opportunity to contribute to advancing life-changing research from our Leeds office. When I get to the office, I say hi to everyone who's in for the day.
Hey everyone!
It's a collaborative environment here, allowing me to gain an insight into the variety of roles. Once I've logged on, I take a look through my emails to make a plan for the day. Today, I will be working on the post-award process for a study that have been awarded to our Leeds clinic. Fortrea's commitment to inclusivity and employee well-being is something I truly value. I got actively involved in the Pride ERG, allowing me to directly contribute to creating a supportive and inclusive workplace. I am planning events with the Pride ERG members, focusing on engagement and promoting a culture of belonging. It was such a lovely day, so we went on a wander to enjoy the sun, and I got myself a little coffee just to give me a boost. As a global company, my afternoons often involves calls with international colleagues. Today, I am working with a proposal manager on a study that's just been awarded to Fortrea, including one that will be conducted at our Madison clinic in the US. We are working on a few things before the launch. My last task for the day was finishing up the announcement poster for the Leeds Social Committee Lunchtime Walk Club before I send it out to our site members.